Hi, and welcome to my 50 Christmas Crafts in 50 Days series for 2019. I'm Sarah, and I'll be showing you a different Christmas craft each and every day for the next 50 days, and I hope you'll be back for all of them because we'll be having a lot of fun this year. Today, I'm making this cute snowman wreath, perfect for a front door or anywhere you want a snowman to hang. I love the fact that he is holding a wreath. If you like what you see here, please be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification button below. If you know anyone that would like this video or my channel, please share this link because every view and every subscriber really helps enable me to keep creating videos for you. And if you'd like to follow me on Instagram, I share all my latest projects as well as some of the things we have going on in our life. I also have a Facebook group for anyone out there who enjoys crafting and would like to share their projects with others. You can also visit my blog where I post a lot of things you won't see here on my channel. You can find the links for all of these in the description below. For today's project, what we are going to need is some of this ribbon, and I just have here a buffalo print flannel, and this is ribbon I already had on hand. I tried to find something that matched the plaid closely on the snowman hat, and this I picked up at Dollar Tree. I had picked up some of these gorgeous little wreaths, and I picked these up on clearance after Christmas at, I believe, Hobby Lobby last year. But you can pick any thing you want because this is going to be something the snowman will be holding. Picked up a handful of sticks that I've just trimmed the ends off of, a piece of chenille stem, and these are two of the Dollar Tree wreaths that they have back in the floral department that I have already spray painted white. Now, for the body, what I want to do is attach this wreath right about the center, and to do that I'm going to use some fishing line, I guess it's called. And I just want to do this so it hangs freely, but you really can't see what it's hanging. Okay, and I'm just bringing it up so that the fishing wire comes up through the back, and then just pulling it so I know right about where I want the wreath to hang. And then I'm going to flip this over, and we're just going to tie that off. Alright, now we have that secured right about where we want it to be. Now, for the next step, we want to take our twigs and we're going to fashion some arms for our snowman. And I'm going to use the thicker ones for the top, and we're just going to hot glue these onto our wreath right about equidistant lengths from the fishing wire. And then we are going to bring the twigs back down for the second ones like this, so it looks like he's holding the wreath. And then for the lower arms, we are just going to hot glue these so they're coming back down towards the wreath. And now that we have our twigs set up as his little arms and the wreath tied onto his body, we're going to go ahead and attach the head. And for this, I'm going to use some hot glue, and I'm going to reinforce with a chenille stem. And actually I'll use the chenille stem first, just because we want that stability, because the hot glue itself will not hold this in place. So I'm just going to twist this around the bottom to start. Then I'm going to bring it up through some of the loose pieces on the head. And actually, let's get this twisted around so it's at the back. So we want to hide as much of it as we can. And I want to bring the chenille stem up through some of these pieces in the back, just to help secure it levelly. Okay, bring that down. Try to work that as tight as I can. And I'm just going to bring this around to the top here, and I'm going to tie that off so that we have our head fairly secure to the body. Right, then I'm going to go back in with some hot glue, and we are just going to get everything nice and tight. Okay, and we're going to let that set up and dry. Now we can do this to the back too, and I think I will flip it over and do this on the back as well. But the neck will be covered by our ribbon that we're using as our scarf, so I'm not really worried about whether or not that will show, because it will not. Alright, now that our glue is dry, we're ready to go ahead and apply the scarf. And for that, I have this buffalo check ribbon, and I am just going to pull out about how much I think I will need, and I'm just going to wrap it around his little neck here. Okay, and then I'm just going to cut this off. There we go. Go ahead and get this straightened around how we think we want it. And then we are going to wrap it around like you would tie a scarf on anybody. We just want that off at the side a little bit. We don't want it hiding our wreath. Alright, and then what we are going to do is add just a little bit of hot glue there, just to hold that in place where we want it. And that takes almost no hot glue at all. Alright, so now we have our scarf on our little snowman. Now for the last step, we just want to give him a hat. So, I lost my hat. There it is. Alright, I have this hat ornament from Dollar Tree, and I'm just going to pull out the string off the top. And then we are just going to hot glue this just on his head, just like that. Want it off to the side a little bit, just to give him a little bit of character. Let's just get in there, be sure we have enough hot glue holding that into place. Right, we're just going to hold that while the glue sets up, and then our snowman is done and ready to go. All right, let's go get this hung up and take the final look at our finished product. Okay, here's our finished snowman wreath. Didn't that just come out so adorable? I absolutely love it. Holding that wreath just, I think, totally makes the entire decoration. Look at that. On up to where we have his little scarf and that adorable little hat. He is definitely quick, easy, and cute in the end. I hope you guys like this, and I will see you in a couple days with another Christmas craft. Bye-bye. If you liked this video, please be sure to hit that like button as well as share it with friends who may also enjoy it. If you like my channel, hit that subscribe button, and when the notification bell pops up, be sure you hit that as well so you never miss a video. And, as always, have a great day and stay crafty.